Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. BMW E70 X5. They changed the transmission, and now if you notice here, I push the brake and I try to shift, nothing is moved. Why? Because the transmission is used and you have a security system. You must unlock it. I am using auto hex Mactronic, and if you notice here, it say that EGS learn static ISN stored in the EPROM. EGS, which is transmission, ISN static, EWS not okay. So what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna try to turn the ignition on, and I will go tear all the accessory off. Which is radio is working too. Let me turn the radio off, and this one also off. And let's go to do that one. Hopefully I'm communicating. So I'm gonna just click OK, and it will start doing it. Do you want to match the EGS CAS? You say yes. You see now here is the system. He give you all the readings, say yes. Hopefully remove the key from the ignition slot. I remove it. Let me see there, he reads some, hold on. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna wait 5 seconds. You remember here, it say not okay. Now put the ignition on. I turn the ignition on. Let me see what it's gonna say. 10 seconds, please wait. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Disconnect the battery for me, please. Disconnect the battery terminal. The battery from the back, bateria. No, leave everything here. Disconnect the battery in the back. Oh yeah, take this one out too. The charger, yeah. Take it out, disconnect the battery. Some of them you have to reprogram. It takes like 10 minutes. Some of them is just, I believe when you change the engine computer, maybe it take a different approach. But look at the data here. The ISN is already there. So please subscribe, share and like, and if you have any question, let us know. This is for E70. When you take it out, let me know, because the ignition will go off. Socket 10 or 8, right? Slowly, my friend. So the battery is in the back there. They're taking it out. After we're taking it out, then we can see what's gonna happen. Only one side. Yeah. Okay, battery was disconnected. Then you're gonna click OK. Follow the step. Click OK. 5 seconds. Look here. EGS ISN is started. EWS not okay. Now put the battery back. You put it. Tight it. When you tight it, let me know.
Very good.
It's good now? Okay, let me see. Ignition on. That's weird. Say cannot. Yes. Let me go back now. Let me see again. Now he say cannot, but it's okay. Learn static ISN stored. Perfect ISN. Good. Now it's okay. You turn the key off. Okay, let me put it back. Start the engine. Yes. Now good. Thank you. Everything is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And see you in another video. The thing is there here. Everything is okay. And we're good to go. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Mohamed Harun Idris.